Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you guys how to bring back this palette to life, because as you can see, this drop off on my dresser this morning and I never stop to pick it up because I know say it go ruin my day if I open it and see it look like this. But I did fix it before, so I'm go record a video and show like everybody. Maybe them have a palette or a highlight or something will drop and it break, and maybe when they want to it, I want to did one like keep it or get it back so I can use it or stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. First, you're gonna need a broken palette, of course, one small brush, napkin or toilet paper, and alcohol in one spray bottle. So first, some of them here, as you can see, mix up. I did have the brush here, kinda did a clean up it, but I go just record it so you can see it. Some of them kind of mix up, like this and this. I can see some coming at this, and the highlighter here, some coming at that, some coming at that. So all I'm gonna go to just take your brush and like kind of separate it. Let me show you. Like for instance, this. You know, so you go through with this because it don't mix up. So after I'm kind of clean up that, I'm gonna go spray. I'm gonna go spray a small amount of alcohol on the napkin or toilet paper. I'm gonna go use it and just clean the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the edge of this and then show you guys. Okay, so I'm kind of clean up a little bit so you can see the highlighter, espresso, caramel, nude, and vanilla. The highlighter and stuff. So I'm kind of clean it up a bit. Anyone when I clean up this, it go dirty, so all I'm gonna do is just work on something black and I work on something white. So now, if you get back the crap. If you get back uno makeup palette or whatever, uno go use the alcohol and spray it inside it, and then we'll go leave it for dry. So I'm go like leave it inside, but you can use and or something and like pat it down. I'm gonna pat it down and then I'm show you my attack. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna fingerprint them, but when it dry, I'm gonna show you guys a morning when time dry. Cause you go have to take a time. You go have to take a while for dry. But once it's dry, everyone I palette them come back perfect, or you when just have it like when you just buy. Because I second time I do this tweet and all of them I work same way. Highlighter work same way. The expression means to contour work same way, because it go come back powdery once the alcohol evaporate out of the dust and it dry perfectly. You go come back like when I just buy. So I'm gonna show you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so this is the palette once it's dry, and as you can see, me swatch it, but you can use it like it works same. See swatches them here on my hand. The highlighter there, so the other one and that. So the swatches them there, so that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.